welcome on our channel. For this recipe, we will make Fondé, a Senegalese recipe based on millet granules. However, we're going to change it a bit. If you are looking for the recipe in authentic, you will have to see in our description. Indeed, instead of using water, we will use the rest of our coconut yogurt recipe that we will first boil before pouring the millet arraw. Then pour a sachet of unsweetened condensed milk. Then add sugar, a little butter, and squeezed lemon. You can still add some pinch of salt. Serve her in your bowl, add raisins, grated nutmeg, and mix it all. The peculiarity with this recipe is that it is often accompanied by curdled milk or yogurt. Yum! If you appreciate this video, please don't go without liking. It's super important. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.